Imagine this. What if you could manifest everything you desire without lifting a finger? No more endless affirmations, no more visualizations, no more worrying about how things will unfold. What if your subconscious mind could take over and automatically bring all the good things into your life? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? But here's the thing. Your subconscious mind is already working for you 24/7. Every thought, feeling, and belief you have is being processed and creating your reality, even when you're not consciously trying to manifest. Now, what if you could tap into that power and let it work for you effortlessly? What if you could just decide to trust the process and watch as your desires come to life, without the constant push or struggle? It's easier than you think. You don't need to spend hours scripting or worrying about the how or the when. By trusting your subconscious, you can align with a life where everything flows effortlessly. So, what would it feel like to just sit back, relax, and let manifestation work on autopilot for you? It's time to stop working hard for your dreams and start letting them come to you. Your subconscious mind is an incredibly powerful force working behind the scenes of your life, even when you're not consciously aware of it. It's always active, processing information, picking up on your desires, and aligning circumstances to bring you what you truly want. Even in moments when you're not actively focusing on manifesting, your subconscious is still at work, setting the stage for new opportunities, connections, and synchronicities that will lead you toward your desires. The key is to trust in the immense power of your subconscious mind. When you make the decision to believe in its ability to manifest for you, you stop fighting against the natural flow of life. By trusting that it's always working in your favor, you align yourself with the effortless process of manifestation. The more you consciously decide to trust it, the more you'll notice things falling into place with ease, without the need for strenuous effort. You don't need to micromanage or constantly push to make things happen. Instead, you simply need to allow your subconscious mind to guide you toward opportunities and circumstances that match your desires. The more you relax and surrender to this process, the more you'll see your life unfolding in ways you couldn't have imagined. Trust that the universe, through your subconscious, is always conspiring in your favor to bring you what you need. Let go of doubt and watch as the unseen results start to manifest effortlessly in your life. Surrendering control to your subconscious mind is one of the most liberating steps you can take on your manifesting journey. We often feel the need to control every aspect of our lives, pushing, striving, and forcing things to happen. However, this constant effort and resistance can create stress and block the flow of manifestation. When you let go of the need to control every detail, you allow the universe to step in and bring you exactly what you need, without the struggle. Surrendering doesn't mean giving up or being passive. It's about trusting that your subconscious knows the best way forward. Your subconscious is always working behind the scenes to guide you toward your desires. By releasing control, you align yourself with a more natural, effortless flow of energy. You stop forcing and begin allowing. When you let go, you remove the stress and anxiety of constantly pushing to make things happen. It frees you from the mental exhaustion that comes with overthinking and trying to force outcomes. Instead of worrying about the how and when, you begin to trust that everything is unfolding in perfect timing, exactly as it should. This freedom comes from knowing that your subconscious mind is always working for you, bringing opportunities and synchronicities in the perfect moment. Trusting in the process allows you to enjoy the journey rather than stressing about the destination. Surrender, and you'll find that life flows more effortlessly and with greater ease. When you embrace autopilot manifestation, one of the most powerful shifts you can make is trusting the timing of your desires. Often, we get caught up in when things will happen, feeling frustrated or anxious if they don't manifest on our desired timeline. However, with autopilot manifestation, timing no longer needs to be a concern. Your subconscious mind knows exactly when to deliver your desires, and it's working behind the scenes to bring everything to fruition in perfect timing. It's essential to trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should, even if it's not happening the way you expected or on the schedule you imagined. Sometimes we forget that manifestation isn't about forcing things to happen according to our timeline. It's about allowing them to unfold in the right time and space for us. Just like planting a seed in the ground, you can't rush its growth. It needs time, nourishment, and the right conditions to sprout into something beautiful. Your manifestations are evolving behind the scenes, even when you can't see them yet. Your subconscious mind is orchestrating everything in the background, bringing you the right opportunities, people, and circumstances at just the right moment. Trust that each step, no matter how small, is leading you closer to your desires. Instead of stressing about when or how things will manifest, simply relax into the knowing that everything is happening in divine timing. Your manifestations are on their way, and they are always working for you. Self-awareness is a crucial aspect of manifesting on autopilot, as it helps you stay aligned with your desires and the process of manifestation. Becoming aware of your thoughts and feelings allows you to take conscious control over your mental state. This awareness helps you identify when negative or limiting thoughts arise, giving you the opportunity to redirect them and realign with the flow of manifestation. When you find yourself doubting or feeling fearful, it's important to gently remind yourself that your subconscious mind is always working in your favor, 24/7. Your subconscious is constantly picking up on your desires and orchestrating events in the background to bring them into your reality. When negative thoughts surface, rather than resisting or feeding them, simply acknowledge them and replace them with the knowing that your manifestations are on autopilot. This simple shift can make a profound difference in how quickly and effortlessly your desires unfold. Being self-aware allows you to stay grounded in trust, rather than letting fear or uncertainty take over. When you remain present with your thoughts and emotions, you can refocus your energy and maintain a positive mindset that aligns with the life you want to create. By cultivating self-awareness, you strengthen your trust in the manifestation process and avoid getting distracted by doubts or setbacks. Ultimately, self-awareness empowers you to take control of your thoughts, refocus when needed, and keep your manifestations on track with the autopilot flow of your subconscious mind. Traditional manifesting practices often emphasize the need for affirmations, visualizations, and scripting, leading many to believe that manifesting requires constant effort and action. While these methods can be helpful, they are not the only way to manifest your desires. In fact, you can shift from effortful manifesting to a state of effortless creation by simply trusting your subconscious mind. When you decide to trust your subconscious, you stop pushing, striving, and forcing things to happen. Instead of focusing on the how and when, you allow your subconscious to take the lead, working behind the scenes to bring your desires to fruition. This shift removes the need for constant mental effort and opens the door to more ease and flow. To manifest effortlessly, focus on the feeling of already having everything you desire. Imagine how it would feel to live the life you've always dreamed of, whether that's experiencing abundance, joy, love, or success. When you align with this feeling, your subconscious naturally picks up on it and begins to work on autopilot, drawing in the circumstances and opportunities that match your inner state. By letting go of the pressure to do everything yourself, you allow the universe to handle the details. Trust that your subconscious is always working to bring your desires into reality, and watch as your manifestations unfold with ease, effortlessly, and naturally. In the journey of manifesting your desires, one of the most crucial elements to ensure your process runs smoothly is the use of consistent reminders and reinforcement. Manifesting isn't just about making a decision once and expecting everything to fall into place immediately. It's about maintaining a steady focus on your desires and aligning yourself with the flow of manifestation. Gentle reminders help you stay grounded and aligned with your goals, even when life gets busy or doubt creeps in. Using simple phrases like, "My manifestation is on autopilot," or "Everything I need is coming to me effortlessly," can work wonders in keeping you on track. These reminders don't need to be elaborate or time-consuming. It's about incorporating short, positive statements into your day that reestablish your trust in the process. By repeating these phrases, you create a sense of confidence and inner knowing that your desires are already on their way, even if you can't see the results immediately. Remind yourself regularly that your subconscious mind is working for you, automatically bringing everything you need into your life behind the scenes. Whether it's through a thought, a feeling, or a quick affirmation, this consistent reinforcement helps you stay aligned with your manifestations. Over time, this practice helps you cultivate trust in the process and allows your desires to unfold naturally, without resistance or fear. Reinforcement keeps you in a state of flow, making it easier for your subconscious mind to manifest on autopilot. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with the manifestation process, feeling like it should be easier or questioning why your desires aren't showing up, it's time to examine the limiting beliefs that may be standing in your way. Many of us have been conditioned to believe that manifesting requires struggle, hard work, and constant effort. However, this belief creates resistance and blocks the very flow of abundance and ease that we seek. Effortless manifestation is all about releasing these limiting beliefs and shifting into a mindset of ease and trust. When you let go of the notion that manifesting must be difficult, you allow the process to unfold naturally. You begin to understand that your desires are already on their way, and it's simply a matter of aligning yourself with the flow of the universe. Trusting that your subconscious mind is always working behind the scenes, handling all the details for you, is the key to breaking free from these struggles. Your subconscious knows exactly how to bring your desires into your life without you needing to constantly push or force things to happen. When you release the belief that manifestation is hard, you open yourself up to a life where things come to you with ease and grace. Instead of struggling against the process, embrace the idea that everything you want is already being brought to you effortlessly. Trust in your subconscious and let go of the pressure. You'll find that your manifestations flow with greater ease and that life starts to feel more aligned and abundant. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this idea of manifesting on autopilot has sparked something exciting in you. Imagine how effortless life could be if we trusted our subconscious to bring us everything we desire. Remember, your mind is always working for you, and with a little trust, everything you want can flow to you effortlessly. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What would it feel like to have your manifestations running on autopilot? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts with me. I'd love to know how this idea resonates with you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more manifestation tips and insights. Thanks again for watching, and remember, your dreams are already on their way. Let your subconscious work its magic, and trust the process. See you in the next video.